Hello and welcome to our trip around the London Ring. We're going to begin here in Limehouse Basin. London, like all major cities, presents its best face to the river, and we're going to see all of that during our glorious run down the Tideway in the second half of the programme. But for now, we're going to set off around the canal system and look at London through its back door, through its tradesman's entrance if you like. Sometimes it's a bit grubby, sometimes a bit run down, but always fascinating. We set off along the Regent's Canal to Paddington, or Little Venice as it's often called. From here we continue west along the Paddington arm of the Grand Union Canal. At Bull's Bridge near Slough we turn left onto the main line of the Grand Union down the heavily locked section to the Thames Valley. We meet the river at Brentford, heading out onto the ebb tide towards London. As the ebb gathers pace, we rocket through the capital, trying to appreciate all those iconic sights while at the same time facing a real challenge to our boatmanship, not the least of which is turning across the tide back into Limehouse. In the modern marina, in the heart of London's docklands, our humble narrowboat mingles with £1,000,000 luxury yachts, and we're overlooked by some of the smartest and most desirable properties in London. Limehouse got its name because of the lime kilns that were built here to burn Kentish lime for mortar and pottery making. While we were here, the three-masted schooner Trinovanti put into the basin and caused a great deal of attention. She offers tall ships adventure holidays for adults of all ages, mainly in and around Norway. The little brick tower is the remains of a hydraulic accumulator once used to power machinery all around the dock. Dating from 1869, this is the oldest surviving example of such a facility anywhere in the world. We hunt among the posh yachts and high-rise buildings for the exit onto the Regent's Canal. Eventually, we find it tucked away in the northwest corner. Up 2 locks and we're heading for Mile End, right in the heart of East Enders Land. All the locks on the Regent's Canal were at one time paired to cope with the volume of canal traffic. With just a few exceptions, only one lock of each pair remains in use. The Victorian brick chimney is a ventilation shaft for London's sewer system. In the 1870s, the great social reformer, Dr. Barnardo, newly arrived from Dublin, set up his free school for poor children in the East End of London in this building. It was known as a Ragged School. Today it's a museum where 14,000 children a year experience life as it would have been in a Victorian classroom. They find it quite an eye-opener.